Morning. Waiting on non-farm payrolls for sure. Most of the world trading somewhat quietly ahead of the jobs report in the States. But overnight in Asia, the markets were well supported. China was up 28 bips. South Korea rebounds back up 1.3%. And currency also much stronger. And much of the driver in that market was really currency-based. India up 60 basis points, Taiwan up 61. So very strong in Asia. Russia's up 43 basis points this morning. Oil is trading kind of sideways, actually was up as much as 1% earlier in the day, is now flat to slightly down. The other guys in the region, Czech, Poland, Hungary, all down a bit, all down from 40 to 120 basis points, but quiet. And South Africa's up 60 basis points, currency coming in that much more. The rand's been all over the map, but at 7.54 this morning continues to trend back inwards, and that's ultimately a concern for the authorities in South Africa, but very positive for a number of the players, especially on the banking side, not great for the miners. Looking into Brazil and Latin America today, Chile's just opened up down 3 basis points, effectively flat, seeing the same in Brazil coming into the market. But overall, it's been a very strong earnings season in Brazil. We had a couple other reports late yesterday. Gafisa earnings, third quarter, actually came in somewhat weak, but the question really is going to be about the issuance in the sector and whether Gafisa is going to be bringing stock themselves to be the fifth home builder in Brazil. But Vivo in the cellular sector, good headline numbers, some one-off items, but very good numbers. Mexico's earnings are now about 60% complete with are complete with about 60% beating on the top line and the bottom line. So we've seen a pretty good earnings season. Dollar this morning is flat, watching the Dixie. Obviously, again, will be somewhat driven by what we see in terms of U.S. strength. Market sideways. Emerging has seen some outflows in the last week, which is the first time in about 6 weeks. So the straightforward enthusiasm for emerging is definitely come back a lot, and in some sense that's good for these markets, but things are still trading a little choppy. Talk to you soon.